Okay, today Miss Thelma. This is Miss Thelma, my favorite girl. Okay, she's putting on my wig before I go ahead and put it on my own head. So now I'm shaving any excess hair going from my forehead, and I'll go ahead and take my 70% alcohol to clean my edges. I want to be sure that everything is dry, clean, there is no oil and there is no dirt. Okay, so after that is done, I'll go ahead and take my got-to-be glue, the yellow one, and use the back of my edge control comb and apply it thoroughly from ear to ear. Okay, so I wait few minutes and get my fan and make it tacky. Okay, before I got my fan, now I'm using the pad that I used to clean my forehead to clean excess glue. Okay, so now I just grab my fan, I'm fanning it because I want the glue to be tacky. Okay, now it is properly tacky. I will get my wig from Miss Thelma and put it on my own head. Okay, you want to be sure that you place it directly on those places you apply the glue from ear to ear. Okay, for me, I don't like my wig to be like very close to my eyebrow. I like to leave enough space in case I want to do baby line. But for this particular video, I'm not creating any baby hair. But still, I don't like my wig to be very close to my face. I do not like it at all. Okay, it itches my skin. I don't like it, so I like to place it where it is convenient for me. Okay, so that is what I'm doing right now. So I realized that the glue was very dry, so now I'll go ahead and use my spray before I go ahead and cover the hair. So I spray the glue, and now I'm just using my hand to fix it because I don't want the hair to get dry, and I'm trying to fix it or remove it. So I really want to do it before the hair get dry very well. So now I'm so okay with how everything is that I'll go ahead and take this my elastic. I don't know what this thing is called. I think elastic, I don't know. I'm just using this stuff, you guys are seeing the black one, to secure the ear. So after I'm done, after a few minutes, and I can remove it and everything will be on flick. Okay, so I'm just trying to make it tacky because I'm going to go ahead and just comb my hair so I can go ahead and quickly do my makeup and come and show you guys the outcome. But before I go, I'll go ahead and show you the hair I'm wearing today. This hair I'm wearing today is from Nadula hair. Okay, this is the 22 inches body wave hair, guys, and the hair came with this mesh bag. Okay, and with some goodies. I can't remember, I think I bought the hair sometimes, but this is the second time I've been wearing the hair. Okay, so now I've done my makeup and I'm back. I don't know why this camera settings is just doing me out today, but I don't want to upload this video, but I was like, okay, I've spent enough time, I just have to upload this video. Okay guys, I'm so sorry about the color separation and everything is not working, the exposure and everything, but it is what it is. I made up my mind to upload this video, and that's what I'm doing right now. So to cover the edges, I'll go ahead and use my powder shade, and that's what I'm doing now. So I just use the powder to cover the whole edge line so everything can blend. Okay, so now I'm using my brush to brush the hair. Like guys, look at this hair. I like this hair so much. This is not a paid advert. I bought this hair with my money, but the hair is so gorgeous, right? It's so soft. It's actually shade a little, just a little bit, minimal shade. Okay, all hair shades, even our natural hair shades, but this one right here is very good. Okay, it is straight to length and I like it. So now I'm just realizing that the center of my hair is trying to pull off, and I'll go ahead and get my spray and do that shortly. So now I'm just trying to create the center pattern which I like, but if now I'm using my tail comb to create the line. So while doing that, I'll go ahead and pull out some hair so I can have enough space, because this is 2020. We don't want our hair to look like okay, we want our hair to say a lot of things about us. Okay, so I'm just creating the pattern, pull out some hair so I can have some pattern. Okay, so now I'm just using my comb to brush it. Okay, I'll pull, comb, pull, comb, and just doing that. Okay, so now after I've desired the desired pattern that I want, I'll go ahead and use my wax and just clear all the flyaways. Okay, so now no more flyaways, everything is coming together like a desire. So now I'm just using my spray glue to spray the center part that is trying to pull off when I was pulling the air. Okay, then I will grab my scarf and just tie it for a few minutes. Okay, then I will do both sides to spray the other part of the air. Okay, then brush it so that the glue can circulate on both sides. Okay, and I'll go ahead and grab my scarf and just tie it for a few minutes so that place can secure properly. Okay, now so it's after 5 minutes. I'll go ahead and untie the scarf. Then I get my generic spraying sharp plus. Okay, this spray is not from Beauty Supply, it's from Sally. Okay, in case you want to get this, it's not from Beauty Supply, I got it at Sally, and it's so good, guys. This will make your hair last throughout the day, give it the shine desire. In case you like coil your hair, you just want to spray it so the spray can secure the coil, the style you style your hair. Okay, I think I'm making sense, right? So now I will go ahead and use my foundation and blend the line I created. Okay, guys, you really want to do this because you don't want your hair to look like white and your skin is light or yellow. Okay, you want everything, you want the hairline to blend into your skin. Okay, like you have one shade. You don't want the center to be dark and your skin is white, or your skin is white and the skin is black. Okay, you want to be sure that you're using either your foundation or your powder. Okay, just use your shade to do what I'm doing. That's what I'm doing in this video, so you guys can see. So now I'll go ahead and stand up so you can see how long this hair is. Okay, this is 22 inches and I'm loving this hair. Like, this hair is so gorgeous, it complements my skin tone and I can't stop touching it, brushing it. Okay, it is my hair, let me enjoy it. Okay guys, don't beef me. I'm just joking. Okay, so now I'll go ahead and use my hair serum because I'm going to be using my hot comb. Guys, before you go ahead and use any heat stuff on your hair, you want to be sure that you're protecting your hair. Just the same way we eat nutrient food, we eat balanced diet for our own health, you want to be sure that you are securing your hair. Don't just go ahead and use hot comb, curling iron, anything hot. Eat on your hair. Okay, protect your hair. So the serum, the purpose of the serum is just to protect my hair against any heat damage. Okay, I have some hair of 5 years, 6 years, and if I put them out, guys, you guys will think, oh, I just got them like 3 months ago. I always take good care of my hair. Okay, take good care of my hair. So now I'm using my hot comb to secure the hair. Just, you know, guys, I use the wax. So the wax won't do everything like 100%. You still want to go ahead and use your comb or your curling iron, curling wand to secure everything. So that's what I'm doing right now. So I'm just using my hot comb to make sure that everything is on point. Okay, I nearly burned myself, but I was so careful. So you want to be careful, you want to be carefree when you are using anything else on your hair. Okay guys, do not burn yourself. So I'm loving everything because everything is coming out just the way I desire. So after I've done that, I went ahead and dropped my hot comb, then grab my generic then I grab my generic spray and spray it all over again. Okay, this is the finished look. What do you guys think? I'm not an hairstylist, but it is what it is. I'm just trying my best. So guys, in case you like this video, go ahead and click on the subscribe button and be part of the family.